Hey y'all, what is up everybody? What's up YouTube? Sparky Marky, and I'm back to do an unboxing of an item. If you see the name of the photo, you already know what it is. It's finally here. Enough chit chat, let's open it up and see what's inside, like now. Alrighty, it's finally here. The Thing Expanded. The definitive documentary on John Carpenter's masterpiece. Holy cow, finally here. Pause this and read it careful. Read it very carefully. And I've seen my share of The Thing. I saw The Thing from Another World from 1951. Oh, I gotta take this out. I got a replacement case, really. I really hate these cheap ones. Here's the artwork for The Thing Expanded. Interviews from John Carpenter, Kurt Russell, Guillermo del Toro, Keith David, other people involved from the movie that are still around, makeup effects artists, and fans, I believe. So yeah, you can still get it, by the way, when you purchase your copy of the In Search of Darkness 70s. Yeah, when you go to purchases, there's going to be added to it. So if you want to get it, it's your choice. Add it to the cart. Also came with the Outpost 31 patch, which I'll put it in here. Let's see the disc. All right, number edition. Mine is 2491. Here is the disc, same as the cover art. And is there any more surprise in the back? Let's see what it is in the back. Also, you already showed you this, so this is what it comes with. Nothing much, but I can tell this is either a background or a silhouette. I can't even tell, of the stars that we see in the opening of the film. Okay, so we got here is a booklet with the awesome dude, John Carpenter. Oh, okay. Pause it and read it per page if anybody wants to. If anybody's seen The Thing on television or physical media, let me know in the comments down below. Man, this is one big page booklet. Amazing creature designs. What more can you ask? And if anyone remembers The Thing from 2011, yes, it's a prequel. Not a remake. People assumed it was, but it wasn't. I even knew anything about it back then. Like I said, yeah, I was 20. But that prequel should have been left alone and should have been left with the practical effects. Anybody who's seen the John Carpenter's The Thing or The Thing from Another World from 1951, let me know in the comments down below. How did you even hear about these titles? I heard about it through Halloween. The original The Thing that was directed by the great Howard Hawks. Here are the posters. So yeah, I wanted to know what is that, and hearing it through other sources and documentaries from even my homies. Yeah, that's how I found more about The Thing. So yeah, let me know in the comments below. Has anybody owned a copy of The Thing from VHS to Laserdisc to DVD and regular Blu-ray, and as well as the Arrow Video Blu-ray edition from 2017, which is indeed very pricey, but it's region 2 locked. and as well as anybody bought the Scream Factory of the 1982 The Thing, that directed by the great John Carpenter. So yeah, plus it comes with these 18 by 24 posters. I gotta put some of these posters in the binder, and what's in here, I can't even tell what the heck did they put in here. This I gotta see. So yeah, this comes with a COA of certificate of The Thing Expanded, the United States Antarctic Research Program. This is a certified that the executive producer and director of The Thing Expanded have awarded you the certificate of assimilation, the knowledge of the expedition survival skills in the face of otherworldly danger and being assimilated into the ultimate thing companion. Now I'll show you what I already know. R.J. MacReady, Outpost 31, The Thing. Here's the executive producer's signature and the writer and director. Like, wow. Very, very cool. I just gotta make sure to seal this very, very good. So yeah, it comes with, the Blu-ray, the posters, the artwork design. Ian Nathan is the writer and director. And who was the executive producer? Oh yeah, David Reiner, if I said the name right. So yeah, comes with this, the patch you already saw, and the certificate. That's all it came with, folks. So, before saying all, let's give a shout out to the thing of ours, to the physical media collectors, the watch collectors, the toy collectors, autograph collectors, travelers, convention goers, bloggers, cosplayers. Shouts to you all. Let's give a shout out to my subscribers. You know who you all are. Shouts to you all, kitty cats and dogs. Shouts to you all. And also, if you like content like this or other content on this channel, please click the bell and the subscribe button to be notified about new uploads. Like the videos, always appreciate thumbs ups. Have any opinion related to the content or the year that the content was released? Comments down below. So yeah, and also click the bell. Also be notified what I put on my YouTube post and what time will the video be appearing. So keep an eye on it both daily and weekly. You never know what's gonna pop up, folks. You'll never know. So keep an eye on it. Yeah. So, y'all, this is Sparky Marky Mark signing off, y'all. Take care. God bless you. Enjoy Tuesday, y'all. And later.